In this video, I am going to be fishing, jet skiing, and exploring an uninhabited island in southwest Florida. Hope you enjoy. What's going on, guys? Bailey here. Super excited to be putting this video together. It's been a while since I've been able to put anything out, but this is going to be a great video. Today I'm traveling down to South Florida to visit with my family. I'm going to be doing some fishing, I'm going to be doing some jet skiing, I'm going to be trying to spend as much time outside as possible while I'm down there. Really just do anything I can to escape the freezing cold that we're dealing with up here in Boston. So, we're all packed up and ready to go. There's just one problem. The flights have been delayed by a couple hours. We're dealing with some unusually high wind right now in Boston, unfortunately. So I'm just waiting to go to the airport. Going to be bringing you guys along for every step of the journey. Got some really great video ideas for while I'm down there. And really excited to be back and making some content, and more importantly, just fishing. It's been too long now, and I'm dying to get out there. So super excited to be making this, super excited to be putting this out, and we'll bring you guys along for every step of the journey. See you soon. All right, we made it. It's quite the treacherous journey. Didn't get in till about 5 a.m. last night. So running on only a couple of hours sleep right now, but it doesn't matter. Super stoked to be here. Currently on my parents' new dock, which is pretty insane. Got 3 boat lifts over there. Got the jet ski lift right here. Just needs power, but it's looking like a damn marina here. It's yeah. Today, in the next couple hours, going to be heading out on a charter, which I'm super excited for. I always catch a ton of fish with these guys. It's a pretty unique setup. It's like a party boat, where there's a couple of other guests that go out with them, and fish alongside you. So I won't have the boat to myself, but we always catch a lot of fish. I'm hoping we can catch some, either redfish, sheep's head, snapper, something like that. Something we can bring home and cook up. But mostly just excited to get out on the water and get some lines in the water. You want the net? Nice. This. Oh no. Another short one. Yeah. Better than nothing. Yeah. He's excited.
He's excited, yeah. You want to film the kids for content, it's $10 a kid.
Okay. There we go.
$10 a kid.
What's your first name?
Bailey.
Bailey. Oh, that's right. It was.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston.
Let them guys.
Yep.
They're fishing too. Yeah, the boats didn't go out last night. I do not know why. It might have been really rough.
I was going to ask you if there were fish on.
Don't let it go and don't walk away from it.
Oh, we got a good one.
Did you? You got one over there.
It might be a keeper.
I think it's good, right?
Yeah, it is.
How about that, huh?
Charlie, think about.
Maybe
What do you
not.
think?
Maybe
Not there? Damn, what does that have to be? 14?
12, the fork with the mouth closed.
Nice.
Cute, huh?
That's a good sheep. You want me to pull her up? You
Just
want-
lift it up and I'll intercept.
Okay.
Up, up, up. Swallow it.
Nice.
We're probably going to lose that hook. But
Good
which
start.
means you gave him. When you're fishing sideways like that, you
I was
don't-
on the retrieve.
You might have had him a whole time.
Yeah.
And not noticed. Like
Yeah.
They'll follow you home. I don't think I'm going to get this hook out. For now, I'm going to cut it and grab another rod. I don't
Okay.
have time to tie up.
Oh, you got one, Michael, baby?
I hope so.
Oh, another one. Another one what?
These mangrove snappers love me.
Guy.
Yep.
Got your mate?
Oh, there he goes.
What is it? Little mangrove?
Yep. They are everywhere. They want a free meal. Look. Oh, it just landed on me. All right, well, we're back at the golf cart now. That was a ton of fun. Got to fish with a really nice family from Chicago. Their kids caught, two really nice sheep's head. If you guys are watching this, it was awesome to fish with you. So it was great to get out there on the water, just enjoy a couple of hours catching fish, enjoying some sunshine. I myself got 2 undersized sheep's head and then a handful of mangrove snapper. Nothing that's a keeper, but still plenty of trip left, and glad to just get some fish in the boat. So best part about being on Marco Island is the ability to ride around on the golf cart. So we're gonna get going home, get some lunch cooked up, and then figure out the plan for the rest of the day. What's going on, guys? Morning. It's day 2 here, bright and early. I am exhausted right now. Doesn't matter, there's fish to catch. So what we're gonna be doing right now, I'm out at this lagoon right here where I see a ton of mullet and flying fish, and I got the cast net. I'm gonna try that for the first time ever. Never used a cast net before, but that's what this calls for, and there's fish jumping already behind me. So we're gonna try and catch some bait, and then if you walk around the corner up there, it leads you out to the Gulf of America. So that we're gonna try and catch some bigger fish. I even got a shark rod ready. Who knows what we're gonna find, but yeah, gonna start doing some practice casts here with the cast net and see how it goes, and then hopefully we get some bait and we can get fishing. in the cast net. That is so epic. Just got something in the cast net for the first time ever. This is my first day ever using one of these. Took a lot of learning, a lot of failed casts, but we got one. So let me get this guy some water. We're starting to lose faith a little bit. Starting to think maybe we weren't gonna be able to go fishing. Need to get this damn bird out of here that wants this piece of bait. That is epic. It looks big enough where we might be able to use it for shark bait, I think, which is awesome. All right, I'm gonna see if I can't catch a couple more. All right, we're out here at the beach now. Got the bait chunked up, lines rigged up. Should be able to handle just about anything that hits this, except for maybe shark. The shark rig I had, I realized, is way too long for casting. There was a bait. I mean, it's all hell. It's off the skin. Flying fish, I guess, but. Alright, gonna get this in the water. Alright, what's going on, guys? Didn't have any luck out there this morning with the mullet that I caught, but just went to plan B. We got some frozen shrimp. We're on my parents' dock. Gonna put the camera down and get the rod set up, and then we're gonna get some lines in the water. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Use this frozen shrimp. Should we start with a whole one or half one? This looks like a good one to try doing a whole one with. Alright, here's what we got on the setup. We got a tiny hook. It's probably not going to catch anything very big here, but simple. Take your shrimp, stick it through,
we're gonna go fish all of these pilings. See if we can't catch anything. Make sure that line stays tight so you feel the bite.
Not super exciting, but got another catfish. Luckily I hooked this guy better, so I should be able to get the hook out. Nasty bastards. These things will get you too. Those fins are venomous. Ugly, ugly, ugly. But alright, I'm gonna get the hook out of this guy. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's day 3 of the trip down here in Florida. And today I'm doing what I've been most excited for this entire trip. I'm currently out on my jet ski down here, and I'm going to be exploring around the 10,000 Islands, which is an area at the southernmost tip of Florida. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking for somewhere where I can beach the jet ski and do some fishing. I also want to start a fire, hopefully catch some fish that I can then cook up over that fire, and just explore the islands and see what I find. So you know, really excited to be out here. The weather's great, and excited to get on some fish and bring you guys along for the journey. And we're gonna get going here and start making our way south and see what we find. We got some dolphins coming through. Where'd they go? Yeah, right up there. Nice pot of dolphins. Let's go get a little closer to it. Like 3 of them. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Wow. Super cool. Anytime you see dolphins down here, it's cool. We might have one. Oh yeah, we do. Oh, it's a fucking catfish, god damn it. Oh, and he swallowed the goddamn hook, meaning I'm gonna have to rebait and everything. Oh. Damn it. Well, at least we're on the board. You can see here, these little catfish. These are my arch nemesis. They are such a pain in the ass, and you just find them everywhere. So I'm gonna work on getting him off the hook, getting him back in the water, and then getting a new hook on my setup, because unfortunately he swallowed it and there's no fucking chance I'm putting my hand down his throat. So see you guys in a minute. I think we might head into the mangroves and fish back there. It's a little bit choppy out here, and I think we're probably gonna have a higher likelihood of success finding an area, you know, where there might be fish, especially since I don't have a fish finder. It's kind of hard to, you know, identify spots where they're likely to be. So mangroves might be easier fishing. So I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, wasn't having any luck fishing, so I'm starting to get hungry. I just found an island. I'm gonna see if I can't get a fire started, and then I've got some hot dogs in the backpack ready to go. So I'm gonna go start scavenging firewood. Luckily I got some fire starter, so that shouldn't be a problem. The wind is definitely a factor, but we should be good. I feel like I gotta move my jet ski up a little bit farther on the beach. It's looking like it might float away on me, which would be a disaster. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna get looking for firewood, and yeah, start making some food. Well, this is awesome. Someone must have been here recently and created this little fire pit, which is dope. And they also left behind some tools to help me cook. Perfect for the hot dog. But as you can see, we're out here on this small, uninhabited island. It's pretty sweet. Got all the mangroves over there. Got a nice sand beach here. Got the jet ski pulled up here. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work getting this fire started with some of this wood I collected, and then we're gonna start cooking some hot dogs. All right, we're starting to get a fire going. The wind is certainly a factor, but luckily we got some fire starting material from the grocery store earlier today, and it seems to be doing a pretty good job getting some of these bigger logs to catch. So yeah, this is money. This is so cool. I had no idea this was down here. I'm not even totally sure where I am right now. I guess I could take a look at maps and find out. Yeah, so I'm down on these islands in the Thousand Island area. Super cool. Gonna let this start burning pretty good, and let the bigger piece of wood catch. Go monkey with the jet ski a little bit, make sure it's secure, and once we got a good fire roaring, start cooking it up. All right, the fire's struggling a little bit because there's a ton of wind, but I think there should be enough fire to make a hot dog or two. So we got some Nathan's ready to go. The tools left behind are greatly appreciated. Let's make a hot dog. I'm so hungry. This is gonna taste so good. Intentionally didn't eat anything this morning. I feel it's always better to fish when you're hungry. Sometimes even then it doesn't work out, and that's why we brought hot dogs. We're gonna just sit that there like that. I feel like that should be a good spot. Cool. Boat going by out there. Jet ski is doing fine. Rest of the island. Little lagoon over there. We might go check that out, try and go fishing there. God, what a great spot. It's good to know about this. I'm definitely coming back here. I've been thinking I might do a camping trip down to one of these islands. This could make a decent spot, especially if you do it on a day that's not super windy. Come do a little overnight. It's nice that they got the pre-done fire pit here all ready for you. All right, dog one done. That is looking unbelievable. A delicious looking wiener. I'm just gonna eat it right off the stick. I didn't bring anything else. That absolutely hits the spot. Couldn't ask for a better place to eat it either. This is unreal. What a day. Only thing I would change is a little less wind, but nothing you can do about that. So don't clip that. All right, well, I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna make a couple more. Then we're gonna hop back out on the jet ski and see if we can't go find some fish. All right, got 3 hot dogs in me. Feeling nice and full now. So gonna get back to fishing. Gonna hop on, or put the fire out and then hop back on the jet ski and then see if we can't go catch some fish. I might try right over here. This looks like, oh yeah, I just saw a fish jump right there. I'm gonna pull the jet ski around though, because that side is far calmer than where my jet ski is right now. So it looks like a better spot. And yeah, I'm seeing some fish jumping right now, so it looks promising. All right, I see some fish jumping. This could be it. Please tell me it's not just super shallow over here. There's something over there hungry for a shrimp. Gotta be. Nice big wing knot. Close to it. Oh yeah, right there. Wow. Must be mullet jumping out. Some mullet. You can always throw that. Oh, and my shrimp went flying off. Great. Oh man, they're everywhere in here. I've got way too much leader on this. Definitely overestimated that. It's better to have too much than too little. There's something over there chasing mullet. Tells me it's probably pretty big. Please don't be a catfish. Ah, yes. I mean, it feels like relatively small, but it's a fish. It's a fucking catfish, you're kidding me. These things are relentless, man. Oh, I thought just because they were mullet that were over there, there was no way it would be a catfish, but man, another gosh darn catfish. I gotta take care of this guy in the reposition. We're gonna try it one more time. Catch another catfish. I'm out of here. This is sick. There's some sort of hawk right up there. Screeching. Some sort of hawk or falcon. I'm not sure exactly what. But man, it's cool. If anyone knows what that guy is, drop it in the comments. Oh, there he goes. Super cool. Was so close to him. Alright, I'm back at the marina now. The fishing was a bit disappointing. You know, really only caught the 2 catfish, unfortunately. Tried fishing all over the place. I've been at it for like 3 hours and just wasn't having any luck. It's definitely a challenge not having an anchor and you're just kind of constantly dragging your weight and bait across the bottom, and it gets hung up on stuff a lot. So for next time, I'll definitely be bringing an anchor with me. But regardless, it was a ton of fun going to explore all those islands, see a ton of wildlife, be able to make a fire on the beach, and you know, cook up some hot dogs, and you know, definitely satisfied with the day overall. I will be doing this again for sure. You know, hopefully, you know, maybe even doing some camping out on that spot that I found because it was so cool. You know, on a calmer day too, I could go much farther south on this thing. Yeah, I filled this thing up and I'm still well over 3/4 of a tank, and I ran probably 20 miles south. So this thing's really good on gas. So a ton of fun overall. You know, I'm gonna see if I can't do some fishing tonight. We'll see though. You know, getting packed up and heading back to Boston bright and early tomorrow morning. So regardless, super fun trip. Great to get on some fish, get to some warm weather, escape the freezing cold we're dealing with at home. And yeah, if you guys liked this video, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate all the support so far, and gonna be doing my best to keep continuing coming out with content as much as possible. So follow along for more.